you all sent me a birthday present. Specifically, Eagle Doc Stu, one of our biggest supporters. Thank you. Let's see what he sent. Now, the shape of the box kind of gives away what it might be. I'm very excited to see what we've got. Another birthday, another year older, and another box. Wow, with a lot of tape. If you haven't been with the channel a long time, you don't know the history. We originally started years ago. First ever thing I unboxed, I said make sure and have a small, sharp unboxing knife. I've got a tiny little unboxing knife here to help me out with any sort of tape or anything that's in the way. And it was a bit of a gag because I had like a large kitchen knife, but it wasn't like this. And then over the years, I've actually never bought any of these swords that we use now. They've all been gifted to me by other people, sent to me by you anonymously. Eagle Doc Stu got this one last year. Oh boy, got some presentation inside here. But people who show up new to the channel are like, why are you using that sword? That's unsafe. What are you doing? It's not small. Yeah, that's the bit.
Idiot.
It's a bit that all of you have really created over the years. We just kind of used random knives back in the day and it's just grown and gotten more and more ridiculous. And I think we have another one here that looks like it's gonna add to the ridiculousness. Ooh, somebody knew my favorite color. Not purple like people would guess sometimes by the channel color. This one is definitely the prettiest one. So this one was sent anonymously 2 years ago. And I was told by all the others, this is technically a Ninjago because it's not curved, it's not a katana, even though people kept calling it a katana. Then last year we got this, which is a katana, but it's a mini katana. As you can see, it's much shorter than the others here. Also battle ready, also came pre-oiled, also very sharp. And it's funny because like a lot of you out there are probably like, oh, it's a bit, it's just something funny. But like one time my brother was over and he needed to open a box and he's like, do you have a knife or something? And I was like, because literally this is what's here. This is what we use. I don't have like a box knife or something handy for anything, which he found ridiculous and a little unsafe, but at least funny if nothing else. Real woven cloth on there. Whew, this is a long one. Looks like it's just about the same length of our original, but the blade is curved. They come with plastic like this because battle ready swords are oiled when you get them. And so the blade is all oily and wow. The blades, I thought it was the oil. The blade's even colored. Very sharp. Whew, this is nice. It feels like it's full tang, which means the blade would run all the way through the handle, which makes for a much more stable handle. When this one came, this is actually a cosplay only sword. So this one isn't even sharp. This is just like metal and it gives it a really cheap feeling when you wheel this thing around. It feels like the blade's gonna come out, honestly. It's a really beautiful one. Obviously, Master Sword from Zelda. We have a P.O. box if you didn't know that. That enables all of you, if you ever do want to send anything, you don't ever have to. Shafe Dog, when he was in Mexico one time on a trip, found these like custom license plate signs you can make and made this one and sent it to me. They're really cool when all of you do that out there, but wow, this is nice. This one's almost so pretty, I feel bad using it to unbox, but we're definitely gonna have to test it on some boxes. But I really like what they've done. They've done like a anodized steel or almost like a burned metal thing to the blade to add this blue hue to it, which is really pretty. There's definitely varying levels of sharpness on that blade, I would say. It is sharp. Ooh, I still think this one might be the sharpest, but it is funny. It's kind of the same thing. It feels like varying degrees of sharpness, but it could be as the metal gets thinner as you go out further, that might be why. Or it could be, especially the ones I've been using, they're probably wearing out at a certain point. But what I found, because you're definitely here to learn this, when you're unboxing boxes with swords, it's really nice to have curved ones, not straight ones, because ultimately when you're cutting tape, if you have a straight blade, it's very hard to align that, where with a curved blade, you can kind of cut down into it and then you can cut the tape with that. So it is much easier, much nicer with that. So this one might be a little harder to wield with how big it is, but it will definitely be very nice for opening actual boxes. Sharp and beautiful. I love the blue. The sheath is wood and nice, really locks into it. Sometimes they do have this issue where some of them want to get caught a little bit because you have this bit of metal here that is thicker. And so sometimes you'll have it tipped or something and it won't. Usually it's fine. Wow, very pretty, very nice, very long, ceremonial, beautiful. I love this. Thank you to all of you out there for all the years, all the gifts, everything. Eagle Doc, thank you for all the extra special attention, taking care of us, birthdays, Dundies, all kinds of things that have been here.
That's why he's the GOAT!
It's because of all of you out there, all the years that we've been here, everybody showing up to watch the videos, the channel grows this much, gets this kind of attention from people. You all show us love and I really appreciate it. What I'm thinking about doing, we're building another studio inside of the same space. I know I need to give you all a tour because people keep asking me for that. I might take all of the retired unboxing knives and put them in the background somehow. So I'm still trying to build that out right now. You'll see it later. It'll also double as the podcast room if you don't know we have a podcast. I'll leave a link to that too, just in case you want to check us out. If you don't already have enough JayBratt in your life, maybe you want more. But just once again, thank you so much for being here with me. 6 years now, 100,000 of you. It's really amazing. So thank you. And I'll see you in another reality. Thanks. Stab.